You are Miss Arnika or Mrs. Arnika?
Mrs. Arnikas.
Acha, what is you are staying? Acha, please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm Arnika. I'm from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering in the academic year of 2012 to 2015 from KLN College of Information Technology, Madurai. After completion of my graduation, I started preparing for banking as well as SSC examinations. My strengths are hardworking and dedication, and my short-term goal is to secure a position in a reputed public sector bank where I
Good.
can apply my knowledge, learn my practical aspects of banking, and begin my profession. And my long-term goal is to grow within the organization and develop my leader and managerial skills, and
Very good.
eventually secure a higher position so that I can contribute to the bank's growth and policy making. And my hobbies are solving Sudoku puzzles and reading newspaper.
What is your husband doing?
My husband is working as a sub-inspector of police in fingerprint unit, sir.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
I have a one kid. She is 3 years old, sir.
How will you manage if you are selected for this 9 months program in Bengaluru? Sent away from this place. 9 months you have to be away from your family. How will you manage?
Yes, sir. My mom will take care of her, sir. She will
Okay.
attach it to my mom, so she can manage, sir.
So very good. That's okay. Good. What are the other interviews you have attended so far in banks or insurance companies?
Yes, sir. I have attended a IBPSPO interview 2021, but I could not find a place in my final selection, sir.
What was the marks you got in that interview?
I got 14 marks out of 20, sir.
Oh, not bad. 14 is not a bad mark. Very good. So now, which bank are you having account?
I'm having account in State Bank of India and Canara Bank, sir.
Tell only one bank name that will do. Tell only one bank name, which whatever you are using quite often. You tell about that and the details about that bank you tell that bank. Preferably State
Oh,
Bank you tell.
okay, sir.
Who is the MD and CEO of State Bank? Mr.
Yes, sir.
Challa Srinivasalu Shetty.
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Yes, sir.
Challa Srinivasalu Shetty. What is
Okay, sir.
what is unique about State Bank of India? What is unique?
It
அத
is,
பத்
yes,
அதாவது
sir.
சிறப்பான
Yes,
பாயிண்ட்
sir.
என்ன about
Yes, sir.
State Bank of India?
Yes, sir. That is a systematically important bank that is too big to fail.
Yeah, correct. Not only that, it is the largest public sector bank.
Okay, sir.
You should tell that also. Good. Now, what do you know about central bank? Who is the MD and CEO?
Yes, sir. The Indian CEO is Sri M.V. Rao, sir.
Very good. Where is the headquarters?
The headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra, sir.
What is the tagline of Central Bank of India?
Yes, sir. The tagline of Central Bank of India is since you since central to you since from 1911.
Good. Very good. You told correctly. Now, what is meant by CASA percentage? What is the CASA percentage of Central Bank of India as on 31/3/2025?
Yes, sir. It is, I think, 94.75.
Hello, I think you are telling a wrong figure. I am asking CASA percentage.
Sorry, sir. It is some percentages.
You are not remembering?
96.54%, sir.
No, it cannot be 96. What is meant by CASA percentage? Tell me. CASA
That is a,
percentage.
yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
That is a current account and savings account.
Hmm.
Mm,
Compared to total deposits.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is not 96%. It cannot
Okay,
be
sir.
96%. What is it? I think I have given you 1 minute. கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Yeah. Central Bank of India
Yes,
CASA deposit is 48.91. Now உங்களுக்கு அந்த
yes, sir.
அந்த ஷீட்ல படிச்சீங்களா இல்லையா? அந்த
Yes, sir. படிச்சேன் sir.
ஆன்லைன்ல
எனக்கு கொஞ்சம்.
ஆன்லைன்ல I have given it in our group also. Again, I am giving it now in our
Okay, sir.
what is that? Credit officers group. Once again, I am giving.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay,
அதெல்லாம்
sir.
நல்லா ஃபுல்லா படிக்கணும்.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Banks would like to have more of CASA or less of CASA.
Bank would
Hello.
have a like to more number of CASA accounts, sir.
Why?
Because then only the spread margin will increase, so that they can lend more amount to its customers.
Not that way. They require more of CASA deposits so that the cost of funds will be low and
Sir.
they can get more profit. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, have you ever taken loan from bank? 1
No,
minute.
sir.
Some call is coming. 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello. Yes, please. Good evening. Hello. Yeah. Acha, you are in Telegram or what? Because I called. Acha, you only message. You are going for Canada Bank, na? PNB interview. Acha, acha. You please send a message only to me. I am now in interview. I will talk to you later. Thank you. I am now in interview. Yeah. Yeah, Arnika, I
Yes,
was
sir.
asking you about whether you have taken any loan from bank.
No, sir. I'm not having any loan, sir.
Acha. What is your father?
My father is a Deenadayalan. He is a businessman. He is doing some business about for inverter and battery business.
Acha. Has he not availed any loan from bank?
No, sir.
Acha. Take care. Very good. That is nice. Now, please, have you gone through the website of Central Bank of India?
Okay, sir.
Have you gone through website of Central
Yes, sir.
Bank of India?
Yes, sir.
Now, please tell me what are the loans they are giving?
Okay, sir. They are providing a Cent Grid Lakshmi loan for home loan buyers, and they are providing a Kishan Vikas Patras. Sorry, Kishan credit cards, and then Cent educational loan for education purpose.
Hmm. Tell me.
Sorry, sir, I could not recollect.
You should be able to tell me about retail loans, MSME
Okay, sir.
loans, agriculture
Okay, sir.
loans, and all that. Retail loan, you have housing loan, vehicle loan, education loan, loan to senior citizens, MSME loans, MSME banking, women entrepreneur cell, agriculture loan, central Kisan credit card, agri gold loan
Yes, sir.
scheme, like that. So
Okay, sir.
under digital, of course, there is not much in here. So you can, for example, you can, um, 1 minute, you can go through the website of central bank itself and get to know. For example, if you click this, if you click
Okay,
retail, you will get these ideas. Then
okay, sir.
digital, agriculture, retail, MSME, all these things are coming. You can read. You
Okay,
can
sir.
read about at least two or three schemes. For example, go through about MSME, go through about Kisan credit card, go through about
Okay, sir.
loan to senior citizens or vehicle loans or housing loans.
Okay,
இதான
sir.
நல்லா படிச்சுக்கணும் because you are going
Okay,
for
sir.
credit officer.
Yes, sir.
Have you read about the 5 C's that are required for making finance to customers? What are the 5 C's bankers will be looking into in a customer?
Yes,
ஃபைவ்
sir.
சிஸ் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir. The
Tell me.
five C's are the first one is character, and the second one is mm, character, collateral, conditions.
படிச்சீங்களா இல்லையா?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the first one, the character, capacity, and capital, collateral, and conditions, sir.
Mm. The 5 C's of credit are character, capacity. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியுதா? நான்
Yes,
காமிச்சிருக்கேனா?
sir. I'm seeing, sir. Yes, sir.
Character, capacity, capital, collateral, conditions.
Yes,
Collateralனா
sir.
என்ன அர்த்தம்? What is the meaning of collateral?
That is a value of borrower's pledge.
Not pledge. That is the value of security they are giving.
Security. Okay, sir.
There is the value of security they are giving.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Mm, what do you understand by character?
Character refers to overall trustworthiness of a borrower.
Yeah. Here it is given. You please read this. The 5 C's of credit are. Please read.
Yes, sir. The five C's of credit are used to convey the creditworthiness of potential borrowers, starting with the applicant's character, which is their credit history,
Mm,
and capacity is the applicant's debt to income ratio, and
mm,
capital is the amount of money that an applicant has.
mm,
Collateral is an asset that can back or act as security for the loan.
mm.
Conditions are the purpose of the loan, the amount involved, and the prevailing interest rates.
That's all. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Now, next question. Um, what do you know about Monetary Policy Committee?
Yes, sir. The Monetary Policy Committee will be conducted bi-monthly. The ex officio member is the RBI governor, and director, sorry, one executive director is there from RBI.
அதெல்லாம் கூட சொல்லலைன்னா கூட பரவாயில்ல. You simply tell Monetary Policy Committee chairman is Governor of RBI, Mr. Sanjay
Okay,
Malhotra.
sir.
Then
Okay,
there
sir.
are other 5 members. Then
Okay.
the last meeting was held on June 6th.
June
in
6th.
what,
Okay, sir.
what is
Okay, sir.
the decision of the meeting on that day? You should tell. What did they decide on that day?
Yes, sir. Uh, on the day, this cash ratio will be reduced from 4% to 3%,
Mm,
and the repo rate is decided to 5.5 percentage,
mm,
and the reverse repo rate is 5.25 percentage,
wrong,
and
wrong, wrong. Not reverse. Standing deposit facility. That is known
okay,
as
sir.
standing deposit facility. இன்னைக்கு
Facility.
படி
Okay,
இன்னைக்கு
sir.
படிப்போம். இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல படிப்போம். அதை பத்தி சொல்லுவோம். 7 மணிக்கு
Okay, sir.
7 மணிக்கு சொல்றேன். சரியா வரல உங்களுக்கு
Okay,
அது.
sir.
இத பத்தி படிச்சீங்களா? Sovereign green bonds. What are sovereign green bonds? படிக்கல.
Sorry, sir. I read it, but I could not recollect it, sir.
Yeah. Then how will you ensure that a borrower is genuine? His identity is genuine. How will you ensure that?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
I will check the borrower's credit history and their financial statements.
No, I am
And
asking
after
about,
verifying of
you have not understood the question. Genuineness of the identity. அப்படின்னா passport, driving license, or Aadhaar card, PAN card, இதெல்லாம் வாங்கி பார்க்கணும்.
okay, sir. It is
Wha-
OVD, officially valid documents, which should
Mhm.
verify. Okay,
Correct.
yes,
Good.
sir.
Then what is the GNPA percentage of our Central Bank of India as on 31/3? GNPA percentage.
GNPA. Sorry, sir, I could not.
What is GNPA?
Gross non-performing assets, sir.
Can you tell me what is gross non-performing asset?
Yes, sir. It is a non-performing asset is a doubtful or a loss asset. The
Wrong. See, whenever you should say NPA means non-performing asset. The loan accounts
okay, sir.
wherein installment or interest is not repaid for 90 days from the due date. It is
Okay, sir.
considered as NPA. The total
Okay,
of
sir.
all that figure is known as gross NPA. When
Okay, sir.
an account comes to NPA, banks have to provide funds for them. That is, provision coverage has to be done. And after deducting the provision made from the GNPA, we get net NPA. Gross
Okay, sir.
NPA figure divided by total NPA, total advances, is equal to GNPA percentage. And
Okay, sir.
similarly, net NPA amount divided by total advances is equal to net NPA percentage. In the
Okay,
case
sir.
of our Central Bank of India, as on 31/3/2025, GNPA percentage was 3.18%.
Okay, sir.
Net NPA was 0.55%.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. I will stop with this.